We're just putting these Gushers in there for, it's been like a minute now.
And we're gonna see what the result is.
It was already boiling just now. Okay, let's open it. Oh.
That's horrible. Ew.
The Gushers are disgusting. It smells good.
In a way.
It smells like a lot of sweetened.
It's too sweet.
Oh, dude, there's black bubbles in there.
Wait. I know.
Oh, it smells like grapes. See, there's what's left of the Gushers.
Those were actually sour
Oh, dude,
patch.
that's like kind of like a solid liquid. Look, push it.
What the heck? And it's warm.
It hardened.
Yeah, because of cold water.
Oh, dude, it smells like Coca-Cola now.
Because there's some Coca-Cola things in there.
I wonder if that's how they make Coke. It's
Oh, what's got a hole in it?
That is disgusting.
It's hard.
Oh, that is disgusting. Let's try to scrape it off. Dude, that's not going.
Jesus. Sounds like some kind of candy you get at Buc-ee's or something.
Dude, that stuff is hard. That is disgusting. That's like nasty spaghetti.
What?
It's like what kids used to think of spaghetti. I'm pretty sure I just flung something up there.